Congratulations on the arrival of your precious newborn baby. As a loving parent, you want to ensure that your little one receives the best possible care. One crucial aspect of providing for their well-being is obtaining health insurance. In the United States, navigating the world of insurance can sometimes feel overwhelming, but fear not. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of getting insurance for your newborn baby. So, let's dive in and make sure your bundle of joy is protected and ready for any healthcare needs that may arise. Have you ever wondered how to secure insurance for your newborn baby? Well, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll share everything you need to know to get your little one covered. From understanding eligibility criteria to exploring coverage options, we'll cover it all. So, let's get started. Understanding eligibility and enrollment. Before we delve into the process, let's first understand the eligibility criteria and enrollment options for newborn baby insurance. In the United States, most insurance plans follow the newborns and special enrollment period guidelines. Here's what you need to know. Newborns and immediate coverage. Did you know that newborn babies are generally eligible for immediate coverage under their parents' health insurance plans? This is great news for parents as it ensures timely access to healthcare. However, there are a few key points to keep in mind. Qualifying life event. To enroll your newborn, you must have experienced a qualifying life event, such as the birth of a child. Time limit. There's typically a specific window of time, often 30 or 60 days, during which you must add your newborn to your insurance plan. Special enrollment period. What if you miss the window for immediate coverage or your employer doesn't offer health insurance? Don't worry, there's still a solution called the Special Enrollment Period, SEP. Here's what you should know. SEP eligibility. You can qualify for SEP if you experience specific life events, such as losing job-based coverage, moving to a new state, or having a baby. Time limit. Generally, you have 60 days from the date of the qualifying event to enroll your newborn baby. Coverage options for newborn baby insurance. Now that we understand the eligibility and enrollment process, let's explore the coverage options available for your newborn baby. Employer-sponsored plans. Many parents have access to employer-sponsored health insurance plans. Here's what you should consider. Check with your employer, speak to your human resources department to find out the process for adding your newborn to your plan. Family coverage. Evaluate if it's more cost-effective to include your baby under your existing family plan or opt for a separate plan. Medicaid and CHIP. If you don't have access to employer-sponsored insurance or need additional financial assistance, Medicaid and the Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP, can be excellent options. Medicaid. This program provides free or low-cost coverage for eligible families based on income and other factors. Each state has its own eligibility requirements, so check with your state's Medicaid office for details. CHIP. CHIP is designed to assist families who earn too much to qualify for Medicaid but still need affordable coverage for their children. It's worth exploring this option to ensure your newborn receives necessary health care. Private health insurance plans. Another option to consider is obtaining private health insurance for your newborn baby. Here's what you should keep in mind. Research different plans. Look into various private health insurance providers and compare their coverage options, premiums, deductibles, and network of healthcare providers. Consider supplemental plans. Some private insurers offer supplemental plans specifically tailored for newborns or families, which may provide additional benefits or coverage for specific healthcare needs. Required documents and information. Now that we've explored the coverage options, let's discuss the documents and information you'll need when applying for insurance for your newborn baby. Birth certificate and Social Security number. The birth certificate and Social Security number are essential documents required for insurance enrollment. Birth certificate. Obtain a copy of your baby's birth certificate from the relevant authorities. Social Security number. Apply for a Social Security number for your newborn, as it is typically needed for insurance enrollment and other purposes. Parental information. Insurance applications often require parental information. Here's what you'll need. Personal information. Provide your own personal details, including full name, address, contact information, and social security number. Employer information. If applicable, provide details about your employer, such as the company name and address. Household income and tax information. To determine eligibility for certain insurance programs, you may need to provide household income and tax-related information. Income verification. Prepare documents such as pay stubs, tax returns, or W-2 forms to verify your household income. Tax information. Some programs may require information from your previous year's tax return, so keep it readily accessible. Applying for insurance. Once you have gathered all the necessary information and documents, it's time to apply for insurance for your newborn baby. Here's a step-by-step guide. Contact the insurance provider. Reach out to the insurance provider through their customer service line or website to initiate the application process. Here's what you should do. Explain your situation, inform them that you have a newborn and need to enroll them in a health insurance plan. Provide information, furnish all the required information and documents we discussed earlier during the application process. Review available plans. Carefully review the insurance plans available to you. Consider factors such as coverage, premiums, deductibles, co-pays, and out-of-pocket costs. It's essential to choose a plan that suits your family's needs and budget. Complete the application. Fill out the application form accurately and completely. Double-check the information provided to avoid any delays or complications in the enrollment process. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the insurance provider for clarification. Submit the application. Once you've filled out the application form, submit it to the insurance provider. Ensure that you have included all the necessary documents and information as requested. Follow-up and confirmation. Once you've submitted the application, it's important to follow up with the insurance provider to ensure the enrollment process is progressing smoothly. Track the application status. Keep track of your application status by regularly checking with the insurance provider. This will help you stay informed and address any issues that may arise promptly. Obtain confirmation of coverage. Once your application is approved, you'll receive confirmation of coverage for your newborn baby. Here's what you should do. Review the details. Carefully read through the confirmation documents to ensure the coverage details align with your expectations. Understand effective dates. Take note of the effective dates of the coverage to ensure your baby's healthcare needs are met from the appropriate start date. Additional tips and considerations. Before we conclude this guide, here are some additional tips and considerations to keep in mind. Stay informed about plan benefits. Take the time to understand the benefits and coverage of the insurance plan you choose for your newborn baby. This will help you make the most of the available resources and ensure you're aware of the services and treatments covered. Keep your information up to date. Update your insurance provider whenever there are changes to your contact information, employment, or other relevant details. This will help ensure smooth communication and avoid any potential disruptions in coverage. Utilize preventive care services. Take advantage of the preventive care services covered by your insurance plan. Regular checkups, immunizations, and screenings are crucial for your baby's overall health and well-being. Understand cost-sharing responsibilities. Be aware of your cost-sharing responsibilities, such as co-pays, deductibles, and co-insurance. Understanding these financial aspects will help you plan and budget for your baby's healthcare expenses. Congratulations once again on taking the important step of securing insurance for your newborn baby. By understanding the eligibility criteria, exploring coverage options, and completing the application process, you're ensuring that your little one has access to essential healthcare services. Remember to stay informed, keep your information up to date, and make the most of the available benefits. Wishing you and your family a healthy and joy-filled journey together.